All right, so now that we've bought the supermarkets out of what they have, what are we cooking with that cuisine? We've got some hot dogs, we've got some bread, some American cheese. We're doing a little chili sauce, some sliced pickles, mustard, fresh sliced jalapenos. We're gonna do a hot dog panini today. Because who doesn't like a panini? Who doesn't like a hot dog? So we're just gonna layer the flavors. But again, all stuff that you can buy from the supermarket, you just lay it on, do the thing. It's like you're living in Chicago. Boom, that's dinner.